Hey, what's up, Questers? Mark Zuckerberg just announced a brand new update out now for the Quest 3, and it's called Travel Mode. Similar to what Apple launched with the Apple Vision Pro, this is going to allow you to actually use your Quest 3 on an airplane without having tracking issues. There's actually a full blog post, and Mark Zuckerberg posted an Instagram reel showing how it works, which is what you're seeing right here. Let's pop over to the blog really quick and I'll show you what it says and we'll talk about it really quickly. It says, "This is your captain speaking. We've reached our cruising altitude and you're now free to move about the metaverse." That's right, we're introducing travel mode on Quest 2 and 3, so it's not just Quest 3, so your friendly neighborhood headset just got travel friendlier. If you've ever tried using your Quest on an airplane, it does work in like 3DOF mode, and sometimes it works finicky with 6DOF regular mode, but now it should work perfectly fine with the new travel mode enabled. It says travel mode turns Quest into the ultimate in-flight entertainment device, so you can watch movies on a massive virtual screen, kick back with a game or meditation app, and even get some work done in private. And thanks to our headset's balanced ergonomic design, you can enjoy it all comfortably, no neck pillow required. That's debatable depending on which device you're using and what accessories you have, but I digress. Say you're on a flight with complimentary Wi-Fi and a selection of movies and TV shows you can enjoy on your tablet or laptop. Your Quest might detect the airline Wi-Fi, prompt you to join the network, and automatically launch the browser so you can kick back, relax, and enjoy the show. Plus, you'll have access to your library of Quest content. And then it says to be sure to make sure the games or apps don't require internet connection if you don't have internet, all that kind of stuff. Obviously, don't be playing something like Assassin's Creed or Asgard's Wrath and you're punching the seat in front of you, but there are games like it shows here with Cubism that would be perfect for playing with hand tracking on an airplane or something similar to that. It also says we specifically tuned our algorithms to account for the motion of an airplane, so you'll have a stable and consistent experience in travel mode, even when looking out the window. Travel mode is optimized for use on planes to start, and we plan to add support for other modes of transportation like trains in the future, which is awesome. To get started, opt in under the experimental features section of your settings menu. Now, you do have to be on version 65 to have this option. It says you'll then be able to toggle travel mode on and off from quick settings, and depending on which airline you're flying, your headset may automatically detect when you're on an airplane and recommend turning on travel mode to make the experience as seamless as possible. This friendly reminder that you may need to restart your headset to see the new features. There's also a help center document. We'll pop over to that in a second to see if there's anything we need to know. But there's also another really cool pilot program that they're announcing. It says pun intended with, I'm not really sure how to say this, Luthane? I don't know. I'm not even going to attempt it. You can see it on the screen. It says they're going to outfit select flights for customers of the new Allegris Business Class Suite with a variety of custom, dedicated MR content spanning entertainment, travel, wellness, games, and more, all designed to run on Quest 3 in travel mode. It says Meta business partner MSM.Digital will create content and provide device setup, distribution, and management, blah, 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 blah. It says it's going to be essentially allowing people to use these as part of the upgraded business class experience in these specific use cases, or on these specific flights. It says beginning this summer, business class suite passengers on the selected flights will be able to enjoy an immersive cinema experience with select movies and TV shows, listen to prominent travel podcasters and see their stories come to life through spatial video and select 360-degree video content, discover travel destinations from a bird's eye view with virtual sightseeing previews before you arrive, play interactive games like Connect 4 and chess, and then it says relax with active meditation exercises or enjoy a passive lean-back experience. So this is actually really cool because they're creating custom experiences for these flights so that they can be a part of the experience, the upgraded experience, which is really cool. I think that's a very interesting option. Now, over to the document. I'll put a link to this in the description. This is the help document. This is an explanation of how it all works. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. I'm just going to show it really quickly. This shows you how to turn it on, how to enable it, how to turn it off, what you need to know, safety tips, all that stuff. So I'll put a link to that in the description. Overall, really cool addition to the Quest, just makes it even more usable. I know this is a short video and it's rushed and it's quick. I'm between projects right now and I wanted to share it with you so you didn't miss out on the news. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Would you use this on a flight? Maybe you've used it before. I volunteer as tribute if Meta wants to send someone on this business class flight to try these new experiences this summer. If they want me to do it, I'd happily test it and to see how it works. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't seen my latest video where I have cinema fans try VR for the first time, check out the link right here to that video. And I've got more videos like this coming in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and happy questing.